Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMLA ke Mawsynram constituency uba HM Champliang hakasanterik mentau benai jeleu arjar afhuai ula Leit ban Jurip kerki ya ke Dangar PHC keba kasurkar kela IT man pak penyait hakawai kan hun riu shimet kebal tiap kum ka Viham hadin bakawai ke Longkmie kebal lit ka Kyllung kela Khlad no namar ke jing bom sumar bha un doktor jong ketei ke jaka sumar tani ke Longkmie kebal Khlad no kedai kebal tiap kerteng ke muni marak kebadang arfu prasnam ke kerta kebasyong basa hadangar dop kebal lit ka Kyllung ha ketei ka jaka sumar ha ka arterik ujan leu arja arfuai Henry ha kapor Henry baja mestep jong kesengi babot kala kano yu Kyllung Henry namar ke jing bom sumar bha un doktor kala penlong ya kane ke Longkmie one place nam bat Khlad no na kane ke perthai hadin bela pha dirpor ya ka sha shalong ha kane ke jing la Jurip la senran lang da UBDO ka CDPO ke Mawsynram block UOC ke Mawsynram police station ringkat ke jindon lang un doktor kinos bat kinong tray ketei ke PHC
Know that the patient is hypertensive and with a lot of other complications. Why didn't you refer the patient straight away to Shillong rather than you admit her here and then she had to undergo all those complications during the birth of the delivery?
Sir, on 19th of this fight, on 5th or 19th, I forgot the exact date. She
19
came.
May. 19 May.
19 May. Sir, 19 May, 2 weeks ago, like from the delivery. 2 weeks ago, the patient came complaining of labor pain. At that time also, we suggest we refer actually to Shillong. They haven't went. So by forcing also, like, they didn't win. So we have to. There's a lot of cases like that we refer, we write, like you have to go to Kyllung, even in Negrims, even in civil hospital. But some of the patients they took home.
Now see, this mother gave a normal birth. Am I right?
Yes.
It's a normal birth.
It's a normal.
Not a cesarean.
No.
Okay. When the mother gave a normal birth, then what took you so long to do the necessity things? Is it true that the attending medical facilities were not available at the right time?
It's not, sir. But at the PHC level, we can compare with higher setup like.
No, my question is this: why did that woman deliver in her bed and not in your OT? I'm told that repeated calls were made to come and see her when she already developed labor pain. When she started getting labor pain, then apparently the relatives attending to her had gone and called the nurse, had gone and called the doctor, and they said that the nurse and the doctor took long to come. In the process, the labor pain was so severe that this woman, she delivered the baby, in her bed, not in your OT. Now give us the explanation. If you say you are on duty, why didn't you shift that woman immediately to the OT?
So at 5:30 we have checked, and when we check it, the OS was fully dilated, and I have advised to shift the patient to the OT. And I said in the file also I have written, and while arranging, like OT is already arranged, but so some like sections, some ghost bees, we are trying to get it from the PHC. They are outside the rooms. So at that time, in the meantime, the patient is already fully dilated, and like we don't, in fact, we don't know that what after full dilate. It might take 5 minutes, it might take 30 minutes. So at that time, the patients would deliver in the bed only. So, but we are here only.
I have got reports that many babies are also dying. They come for delivery and then the babies are dying. Sometimes the mothers are dying. So the IMR and the MMR is quite high here in your PHC. Is it due to the negligence of the medical staff, or is it due to other factors that the people do not come on time, or is it because of, can you tell us why?
There's
The IMR, MMR is very high here.
There is three reasons, sir. One is about the quacks, and another thing is transportations, and the third thing is communications. When sometimes the patient is from the from a field on the Sonatala side, or patient is from the another the areas where the vehicles are difficult to go. When we got a call or the ambulance went there, and it take times. So when they rush to the PHA, it's almost we have almost still we can do the procedures, but the time taken through the transportations, it take long time. Second things, when we advise the medicines, as my experience, I have just 4 or 5 months in the duty. So
dia hakapo kawish teng dia antu pada hakapor san teng tu nila ayule iu eklopi ka PPKN ada cek PP dan antu ada cek nila cek PPKN dia ni aben hadin tu
Long no ka BP.
KBP kan normal no dia orang rumah ini KBP kan normal dan antu pada ni ni nang penbek ni kikuati itu normal ni hab arrange ada sing hani hapo ada belum tenang tu pada dah sa shipang kam tu ka khano ha ka jing thia ta yang tentang pada ni nang tu pada ni la pe ni lara I Kyllung yang bu hapo bagi wama ni la kan kun ni tenang tu pada ni yu de pasentang ha ni la ambil pasentang sakit ni tenang kami pada tu pada lanung nak ke pasentang
Kasakut.
Kasakut ke placenta nanu tu.
Te kumno I Khlung imi without the placenta. Normally kau kan lang kan? Kawan lakum jon. Okay, then after. Dan tadi lak ni ko dayu ke placenta anta pada Kasakut ila tang la don lang itu nanu tu. Tengim la tengen bansi ban rifa. Itu pun ang hap ko lang wan so itu. Ya hap rifa. By that time tu kalau bleed.
Template.
Dan ni.
Tina tu ni kong kalau dan hi nama the first child tu kadi hi complication nama ki ong tu ki tu ba ong bawan kan kong boban ni second child kadi abortion tina tu kami balai tu kayu
Di balai pada normal delivery.
Normal tang beban ya ki kesat inla. Jadi inla kata sini tang pengin ni rak ini shift ni mla nama ni dan ni tengin la ni mla ra. Nama di dulu was ngai ni mla ra ban ra ni yo.